basement and watch old DVDs. Play Nintendo 64 until my fingers bleed. And on the drive home, I can't help but think about how I wouldn't change a single thing about the here and now. Pull up to the subway and I watch time freeze. Hope I remember this when my hair's gray and my knees are weak. Strike a match now, baby, let's burn it down. Wash all the blood off of our hands, we escape the crowd. And I've been thinking maybe I want more than this. Just scared to think there's more than lust there when we kiss. My head's so hazy, I build walls around myself.
I know I can make it.